Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials: the PSN email address, any backup phone or secondary emails, and your console. Why? Because recovery often requires confirming identity quickly. Having the console handy lets you verify activation status and system software. Once done, try signing in on the console and a browser. Make sure to note any error messages or codes. If you previously set up two-step verification, prepare your authentication device or backup codes before moving to password reset steps. Now perform the credential reset. Select Trouble Signing In and enter the PSN email. You'll receive a password reset link. Open it on a secure device and create a strong, unique password. If you set up two-step verification, use your authentication app or one of your backup codes to complete sign-in. Make sure to update saved passwords on other devices and the console after you regain access. If the reset link never arrives, check spam and alternate email folders before escalating support. If you can't access the account email, you'll escalate to PlayStation support. You'll need proof of ownership, recent purchase receipts, the console serial number, date of birth, and any transaction ID you can find. Explain the steps you already took and provide clear, concise answers to verification questions to speed recovery. Once support restores access, immediately change the account email, set a new strong password, and enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. Quick tip: save backup codes in a secure password manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.